Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a text reveal animation in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here, make a text right now. So now you have a text right here with your media out right here. So we'll have to place our text right here. So let's just close media pool right here. And let's just wind this up. So dinosaur, that's going to be my text. We want our size to be bigger so it can be seen. So now all you have to do is right click the text box and then follower. Now you have your modifiers tab and then you'll go to your shading. So from here in your shading, you will have to select your time frame. So 15, the time frame is 30 FPS, so you just do 15, so it will do 2 moves per second. So first we'll have to do your opacity. Click that, the diamond, and your X and Y here in your position. So now you're here in your path 1. Just double click in follower 1 to go back. Now go back to 0 in your timeline. So set your opacity to low. So 0. But before we do that actually, so you want to see your text first. So here you want to move your Y. So pretend it's coming from the bottom. And then you'll have to do your opacity. So when you play it right here, it goes like this. It's just that simple. So that is how you make a text reveal animation in DaVinci Resolve. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.